Naki kai pot khubor baper kibla mi halo kijing Kynnoh bagi Samla kibla Shah sumari ladi ban light no drug hak rehabilitation center ha Assam hendrai kimat pan ban kicing Shah ban Beiñ kicing Shah syo dusman bat kiwei pan ba pol lengdo menteri badi khmi ketrat social welfare ulang bak sor jalak la phajing tho Shah Sorkar Assam ban pan kai pot Long bagi bor penia district East Kasil ru kila phajing tho halor kete kijing Kynnoh bat kum ketrat kan syong jingilang ban yekran halor kani halor kicing duna ki rehab center hak jala hak baki Samla ki haban phai khmat sikiwei pat ban yo jing sumar ba pol long bak Sorkar kan ra ka ba arhotli ki rehab center house number 1
We have already written to our counterpart in Assam. We have sought a report. Letter has also gone from the DC East Kasils seeking a report from the concerned department in Assam. So in the next couple of hours, I'll be doing a review of this specific incident. See, in the earlier case where there was reported ill treatment in Mizoram, we had intervened. This time around also we had written, our principal secretary has spoken to the authorities in Assam, and I'm taking a review in the next couple of hours from now. We will be increasing the number. We are working on the proposal to have at least an additional 20 more centers by 2025.
Government owned?
Yes, government owned. See, I'll give you the exact picture of what is happening. A lot of these institutes, like church-based centers, we have been able to fund them either partially or fully. So it's not that we have left them to tackle the issue on their own. We are also funding 9 centers owned and run by private institutions. So, certainly the situation needs further improvement, and we will add at least 15 to 20 more centers by 2025.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishap, kashap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataya kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashap plus F hakajingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka iron la icon diat bada ka bathau bha kam khta ka dur jingki marbam ka jingma lani ka rukom shed yaki balehi banai kita ka don ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka khia ka nutrition ba khambha ka jing im ba khambha pendon kam daki marbam madon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong commissionerate of food safety Meghalaya